I just got out of a train station and got to the Bollard Avenue, and I'm going to try to find the trail. I finally got to the beginning of the trail. It is a Pine Meadow red square trail. Rock has two kind of hooks. I'm curious what was it for. Maybe this is supposed to be part of the building. Who knows? But it's really beautiful out here, and the air is so fresh. You can see big difference between New York City air and here when you're surrounded by trees. Here's the parking lot. And you can see how crowded it is, how many hikers around here. Unfortunately, it's very hard to find place around New York City to escape and to be on your own, especially on weekends. And just like traffic of people everywhere. Like this is a very popular trail that take you to the Pine Meadow Lake. So you can easily drive from New York, park your car and take a walk. It's about 5-6 miles from the parking lot to the lake. Look how beautiful it is. I'm really enjoying this hike. I'm not sure where I'm going actually. It's supposed to be a white trail, but I don't see any marks. Possibly this trail is not really well marked. So, but it's some elevation. Here. It's kind of a little bit spooky since it's my first time hiking on my own. Sometimes I get this feeling of kind of scary, but most of the time there is a lot of people around, so it's hard to be alone. This looks like will be fun part to climb. Gosh, unfortunately I have to put my phone away so I can use my hands. I will meet you at the top. So I finally got to the elevation and I'm going to take a break because I got really hungry climbing all these hills. Unfortunately, there is no good view, but still a nice place to sit down and have some snack. I didn't have time to prepare anything good to eat this morning, so I just have to enjoy the Beyond Sausage sandwich that I grabbed from Dunkin' Donuts in Penn Station. I don't have cheese and egg, just sausage and muffin. It's not so bad. I'm always interested in some weird stuff that located right in the middle of the forest. It's really creepy. I would love to know what is this and why this structure is located in the middle of the park. I should Google. So I finally came to the lake Sebago. It's a beautiful lake and it's quite big. I just need to find a good place to sit down and relax and have a snack and enjoy the view. I think I found a place to have a lunch. I'm gonna take a quick 10-15 minutes break and go back, trying to catch 4 p.m. train back to New York City from Tuxedo train station. This is a really cool cave. It smells like fire. And pee. finished my hike and I'm in Tuxedo and heading to train station. My train is like in about an hour and 30 minutes, so I'll have to find something to do. It's a pumpkin season.